Do you like Asia? Yes, but only on television, usually. That is a very special pronunciation machine. I thought April the 12th was a Thursday, but it's a Thursday. It got 3 birthday this month. Can we have one of those, please? Those? No, the other. Over there. Summer and the city. Have you seen my glasses? What time does the zoo close? My favorite music is jazz. We're living at 5 past 7. A visit for a 7-day visit. Stephen lives in a village the 14th of February. When I asked for her autograph, she just laughed.